Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious breakfast pockets made with Pillsbury biscuits that are also great for a weekly meal prep. To get started, grab a bowl, and I am using this ground pork sausage that I found in my local grocery store. Just adding that to the bowl and tossing in some seasonings. I'm using black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, sage, thyme, crushed red pepper, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup. Then you'll want to use your hands to mix that together. Now grab a small handful of the sausage in your hands and form a patty, and you'll repeat this process until you used all of the sausage in the bowl. And to cook the patties, you'll want to heat your skillet or pan to medium heat and cook on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once you're done cooking the sausage, go ahead and set that aside and get started on the eggs. And since I used 2 packages of sausage, I ended up using 8 eggs, adding 2 additional eggs after I recorded this part. But don't feel like you need to use 1 egg per sausage patty. That's unnecessary. It's gonna stretch, and be mindful that you do need to be able to fit all of this into the biscuit dough. And here I heated about half a tablespoon of butter on medium-low heat before adding in the eggs and seasoning with a little bit of black pepper. And when the eggs are done, sprinkle a little salt on top before setting aside. And this part is optional depending on your preference, but I decided to lightly cook some onions and jalapenos to add into the pocket because I do like additional spice and veggies, and they were seasoned with salt and pepper. And the final step before assembling is rolling out your dough. So I am using these honey butter Pillsbury biscuits, and I use the honey butter because I do like the hint of sweetness that it adds. Now grab 1 biscuit and separate it into 2, and grab a rolling pin to roll out each piece. And just be mindful not to roll this out too thin, otherwise it won't hold up while it's baking. To assemble, I start by placing a sausage patty on 1 piece of dough, adding some cheese, and I'm using sharp cheddar here. I am folding this in half just to make it fit, but you can definitely double up on that. Adding that egg, peppers and onion, then taking that other piece of dough and folding it over all of that and pinching the edges together. And just before putting these in the oven, brush them with some melted butter. And I baked these in the oven for about 18 minutes on 350. If you try to stick to the directions on the package, just know you'll probably need some additional time. And shout out to my dad for making these for me. I've been making them ever since. It's such an easy meal prep for breakfast. All I do is wrap them in parchment paper, throw them into a freezer bag, and heat them up as I go throughout the week. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.